Timberwolves and Mavericks. For Team Mavericks,
Number 28.
hello, number 28, jersey number 28, Glenn Parayo. Second player natin, number 19,
Mr. Adam.
Adam Pahan. Hello. Jersey number 3,
Mr. Denver. Ba't nawawala?
hello, Denver. Wearing jersey number 27, Jed Gigante. Wearing jersey number 17, Mr. Ken Wago. And last but not the least, wearing jersey number 22, Mr. John Susie.
Ayos.
Now let's go on to Team
Timberwolves.
wearing jersey number 25, shooting guard, Mr. Joel.
Dito. Dito, tapos papunta doon.
Now, you're wearing jersey number 4, the ace player of Timberwolves, Philip Cole. Now, the center, wearing jersey number 7, Muhammad Bayagbo. And
Decide.
wearing jersey number 9, the point guard of Timberwolves, Mr. Thor Citra.
Go.
Small forward, wearing number 22, Mr. Ray Paler. Idol yata nito, Lola. Wearing jersey number 28, Mr. Khalil Fahad. Last but not the least, small but terrible, the fast and the furious Mr.